Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss in 5 stock dividend paid once per week. In this opportunity for you, stay tuned with us. It could in fact be investment and influence what the future holds. Alright, going to be talking about number 1, QDTE stock. Innovation 100 covered call strategy ETF is specialized chain trader fund designed to provide investors with exposed to diversify a portfolio of the 100 innovative companies. This fund employs a covered or call strategy which involves holding the underlying assets while selling call options generate additional income. This approach aims to enhance return while managing risk, making appealing a choice for investors seeking both growth and income. There's investment portfolio. QDT stock price today is $40 US when I was recording. QDT dividend history. QDT has a dividend yield 36% and paid $14.58 per share in the first year. The dividend is paid once a week and the last dividend date was February 13, 2025. Right, number 2, RDTE stock, the Roundhill Small Cap Covered Call Strategy ETF RDTE, exchange trade fund focus on the small cap stock while employing and covered call strategy generate additional income. This is ETP investment primarily diversify a portfolio of a small cap equities right call option on those stock. By doing the aim the provide investor with the potential capital appreciations while also generating premium income from the which can help them mitigate downside risk and enhance overall returns. The approach make RDT an investing option of the investor seeking income, alongside growth and small cap market. RDT stock price today is $40.50 US when I was recording. RDT dividend history. RDT has a dividend yield 16% and paid $6.54 per share in the first year. The dividends are paid once per week and the last ex-dividend date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, number 3 is XDTE stock introducing XDTE's Roundhill S&P 500 covered call strategy ETF drive into dynamic investment approach that combines the power S&P 500 with a short-term covered call strategy. It is an exciting opportunity for those looking to enhance their portfolio while navigating today's fast-paced market. Explore the potential XDTE and see how it can elevate your investment game. Whether you are looking to capitalize on the market moves or seeking way to add consistent income to your portfolio. XDTE offers a strategy solution that stand out joined via modern investigation discovered. XDTE stock price today is $50 US when I was recording. XDTE dividend history. XDTE has a dividend yield 23% and paid $11.98 per share in the first year. The dividends are paid once per week and last ex-dividend date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, number 4, YMAG stock. The YMAG YMAX Magnificence is the founder is specialized investment fund that focuses on generating income through the portfolio of option income exchange. Trade funds ETFs. This fund is strategy invests 7 high potential companies. Utilizing option trading enhance yield and provide investors with attractive income opportunities. By leveraging option strategies, the fund aims to deliver consistent return while managing risk and dynamic market environment. YMG stock rise today is $18 US when I was recording. YMG dividend history. YMG has a dividend yield of 40% and paid $7.39 per share in the first year. The dividends are paid once a week and the last extended dividends date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, number 5, YMAX stock. The YMAX Universal Fund Option Income ETF. YMAX is a specialized investment fund designed to generate income through the diversified portfolio of the exchange or trade fund ETF. The utilize option strategy. This fund aims to leverage a potential various asset class, maximize yield while managing risk. By incorporating options, YMAX is enhanced returns of private investors with the unique approach income generation of financial market. YMAX stock price today is $16 US when I was recording. YMAX dividend history and YMAX dividend yield 48% and paid $8.05 for shares in the first year. The dividends are paid once a week and the last ex-dividend date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, today's video was to talk about 5 stock. Keep your mind and QDTE, RDTE and XDTE and YMAG and last one YMAX. These stocks pay dividend once a week and this present opportunity that could impact your investment and influence your financial future. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.